Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to McBoss Capital live stream. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, 2025, 8:43 a.m. Mountain Time. Um, Today market is up again, including Nasdaq up 0.5, Dow up 0.4, S&P up 0.3. Volume is definitely a lot lower the day before Thanksgiving in the U.S. So most likely most people preparing for that, and then we have a half day on Friday, so probably yeah, gonna be more milk this the rest of this week, and market is has that momentum moving upward recently, so that's good news. Let's see the index here, QQQ. Probably the biggest thing that's happening right now is how we are breaking the trend line here. That is good news there, so that looks pretty good. Hopefully we don't come back again, and we'll build on this momentum, so we'll see. So far in the morning we are holding the lows here, which is great, and it's trading really tight, so that's great. So let's see if we can stay at the upper range and continue to make higher highs or something like that. And here is S&P, same thing. We break the trend line. Um, that's exactly what you want to see. Even though it's trading tight, that's okay. We just have to hold near this level and then fall through eventually again. And that could be, very close to a new high, right? So that's something to look forward to if this turns out to be, the going back into momentum rally here. Here is Dow Jones. Yeah, this one also clear the short-term resistance lines here, moving average, and now this one looks like it's appearing to follow through right now because we already passed this yesterday, all the moving averages, and today we are following through. So like this is really good sign. It's up 0.5%. Again, this one looks also pretty strong. Never even came down to break the low today, and then here we found support, so that looks really strong. And then finally we have Russell here. Russell, same thing. It's continued to go up here throughout the this morning so far. This one also broke trend line yesterday, and today we seem to be falling through. So with that being said, it is not it's normal for it to pull back here, and to test, come back a little bit and then go up again. So it's possible for that to happen. All right, stocks on the move. We are seeing again, good number. It's not as strong today. Like it's not 9 a.m. Mountain Time yet or 11 a.m. Eastern Time, but the volume is already down to 36% of the 20th stock here. But nonetheless, yeah, I mean, it's a pretty, I would say it's probably a little bit slightly, yeah, just like the index show right now, slightly tilt towards the upside. But in terms of stocks moving up in price as well as in volume, it's okay. It's not the strongest, So again, it's a more milk day today. But let's see. Let's look at some stocks and see where they're at, right? So we have Urban reporting good numbers. And retail has been really strong. Let's take a look at XRT here. Today is showing, looks like a fall through action here after yesterday's huge gain. Um, so that was up 4.5%. Today we're falling through again. This is the leading in ETF today, sector today. So yeah, so all this, a lot of retail stocks, especially in the apparel or kind of consumer level here, that is doing really well, and it shot up today 20% here almost. Um, MBIX in the health side. The health side also, again, most area today is not showing the strongest gain. So um, we'll see the market can close where we at. That'll be already a good thing if it can hold. But if it does give back, then we need to see which one's gonna give back more. So Hood, I believe they got some news that there will be. I can't remember the exact news. But anyhow, it's bouncing back right now. It's not on my list, but looking okay. Like it's coming back to 21 day. It's still at the 21 days, so not quite clear all resistance yet. SMTC. So today, I think some chip stocks are trying to move today. So this one has been, earnings came out yesterday and reacted and has a nice reversal today continue. So that reversal is good, right? It's volatile, but it's good because it shake out a lot of people there. So yeah, this might be worth watching. Um, we have HCI Group in the insurance, Lumentum. The financials are not the strongest today. Um, yeah, yesterday was good, but today it's okay again. It's most are under 1% gain. Light momentum. This one continues to go. Nice bounce here. Very strong movement. I mean, this stock is definitely one of the strongest stock this year. Um, yeah. Let's look at weekly chart for a second. And here we go. This is really, really quite far. It has come quite far this year. It's still going right now. Cubana, CBNA. This is in the auto resale area. Looks pretty good. Falling through today. Yesterday it came out. So that looks pretty good. Yeah. ONC in the biomed area. ATAT. Retail hotel chain. From China. Avago. Okay, let's look at some of the big cap guys here. Broadcom. So again, the chips are starting to move. Um, Broadcom is doing really well. Look at this. It's already at new high. Quite amazing. Look at Nvidia. This one have difficulty coming back above this downtrend line here. The Nvidia just, lots of competitor news this week, right? So that kind of put them at a bad spot. TSM trying to bounce here above the short-term moving averages. So looks good so far. It's up almost 2%, holding tight. AMD um, still under the downtrend line, so not much to do there at this moment. We have MYRG. This is in the building area. Today industrials are moving. This one seems to break the trend line. Coming above looks pretty good. Let me go to my spreadsheet here for a sec. And there's a whole bunch of them. Let's look at this one. We're here. This one is still kind of lingering around. It's not 100% clear. It's above the 10 day, so that's a good thing. It's not clear whether this will actually is setting up right now. So if it comes out, I think it'll be good. FN again, this one is just like MYRG are breaking above here. Looks good. RBC bearings here. This one's breaking out. Looks like it's trying to go for new high today. Symbolic. This one had a huge day yesterday. Um, After earnings result today falling through. So yesterday was almost 39%. Today is another 11% making new high. Very strong growth stock trend. You can see this, and then have this correction, and then we built this like really very choppy consolidation here. Then we came down really hard, and then in 2 days we came back everything. That's amazing. TPC also coming out right now, looking pretty good. WWD, this one also came out on earnings, falling through today, very strong. So a lot of industrial area been doing well. Yeah, we have some financials here. BCS, not too many stock moving. This one came out this morning, looks really good. Trying to go for new high soon. And let's look at gold here. We have some golds moving here. So here we're making a new recent high right now. And we can look at AU. This one making new high, so that is showing tremendous relative strength right now. Barrick also making new high, strong relative strength. Aura Minerals, another one making new recent high. So all the gold stocks are doing pretty well. Let's look at silver as well. This one also making new recent high. PAS is one that I follow. Look at this. Nice clean breakout from the trend line right there. Yeah, very strong. And we'll finish off with the retail because that's the strong area today. Today we're seeing bros. We already talked about CBNA. Let's look at those bros. This one is a nice trend line breakout here. Falling through on yesterday's gain. That looks pretty good. FWRG. This one is still, yeah, it's kind of breaking out from that high trend line here. So falling through as well. And Estee Lauder, this one is starting to move up, making new recent high today. So again, some of these stocks have been basing for a while, so they're starting to come out. It looks pretty good. Wayfair here. This one also getting close to a new high zone here. So yeah, overall the market it's showing strength in a lot of areas. And today, more muted day. But still, making good progress. Most stocks are up a little bit, but as long as it doesn't come back down hard, I think we're going into Friday, setting up again, looking really good. Here's QQQ. Let's take one more look here. SPY. Looks like it's near the top of the range right now, so that looks pretty good. Let's see if we can hold for the rest of the day. Dow, same thing. Yeah, looks really good. And then IWM Russell here. Yeah, they're all trading near the top of the range, exactly how you want to see it. If we can hold near this level, digest a little bit, or maybe it won't. Maybe it's just gonna be a V-shaped rebound and just go straight up and make new high. And then we can start to consolidate at the highs, near the highs. Thank you all for watching. Have a very good day. Bye now. Please like and subscribe.